Good morning, fellow workers in the government. Today we have procurement activities. We have a pre-bid conference for 3 infra projects and drafting and opening of bid proposals, RFP, for 2 goods. Today is June 26, 2024. For information, our chairman and assistant district engineer is indisposed as he is on his way to Bohol to attend the RIAP conference. Before anything else, may we request one from the BACSEC to lead us in prayer.
Dear Lord, thank you for your goodness and mercy that we receive every day. We are here to be for our reading and read. Grant us the wisdom to make it a successful one. We start with you and we end with you. All this we ask in Jesus' name we pray.
Amen. We immediately start with the attendance.
From BACSEC members, Ma'am Rosie Santo, Ma'am Anfe Handi, and yours truly, Marlene Vilena. Our head BACSEC, Sir Harvey Delia.
Present, ma'am.
From PWG, Sir Romualdo Acalias. BAC members, Ma'am Hazel Lican, Ma'am Loida Pascua, Sir Menilao Santos, Sir Henry Apostol, and Sir Regan Pedro. And our chairman for today, Sir Raul Pedro.
Thank you, Ms. Marlene. So it appears that 2 regular members in our box here are absent. But in spite of that, we still have a quorum to proceed with our undertaking for today. First, may we start with the credit conference for the 3 projects. May I request Sir Henry to discuss the criteria for preliminary examination.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. For the activity for the first part of our activity today, exhibit conference. These are the explanation of criteria for preliminary examination. Letter A, the proper signing and sealing of bids.
Excuse me, Sir Henry, can you please enumerate
Okay,
the
sir.
projects first?
Okay, thank you, sir. The 3 civil work projects for this pre-bid conference are the following, and these projects are scheduled for opening of bids on July 9, 2024. The first project, restoration of road slope protection structure along Marcos Highway, K0273 plus 750 to K273 plus 810, Tuba, Benguet, with project ID number 24PE0079, with an ABC amounting to 32,810,000 pesos. The second project, construction of 2-story 4-classroom school building in Liang Primary School, Barangay Loacan, Itogon, Benguet, with project ID number 24PE0080, with an ABC amounting to 9,950,000 pesos. The third project, construction of road along Domolpos-Oling, Santa Fe, Barangay Tinongdan, Barangay Dalupirip, and Barangay Ampucao, Itogon, Benguet, with project ID number 24PE0081, with an ABC of 92,640,000 pesos. Those are the 3 civil works projects, and these are the criteria for preliminary examination. Letter A, The proper signing and sealing of bids as stated in the bidding documents should be strictly followed. Letter B. All pages of the technical and financial proposal should be signed, paginated with table of contents indicating the total number of pages and with proper indexing as per DPWH Department Order 90 Series of 2002. Letter C. All corrections made in the bid proposal should be countersigned. Letter D. All discount offered in writing should be countersigned to be considered. Otherwise, it will be ignored or not considered. All bids which will, letter E, all bids which will be above the ABC will be outright disqualified. Letter F. The personnel to be assigned by the contractor for the project should have the minimum number of years of experience to implement the project as specified in the bid data sheet. Letter G. In case of construction equipment, the identity of the equipment stated or specified in the lease agreement should be identifiable, or the identity of the equipment should be present or mentioned in the said lease agreement. Letter H. Failure of the prospective bidder to state a technical description of the pledged equipment and the specific location, whether owned, leased, or under purchase agreement, shall result in the bidder's automatic post-disqualification for award of contract and forfeiture of its bid security as per Department Order 58 Series of 2012. Letter I. All the forms to be used in the preparation of bid should be in accordance with the latest formats as prescribed by the Government Procurement Policy Board or GPPB, which is downloadable in the GPPB website and is also included in the bidding documents being issued and uploaded at PhilJEP's and DPWH website. Letter J. The bid will be comprised of the original technical and financial proposal and one duplicate photocopy of the original and financial proposal. Letter K. Prior to contract signing, the winning bidder should submit all the necessary requirements such as the performance bond, CARI, the construction safety and health, the approved safety and health issued by DOLE, and the rest of the requirements which will be listed in the notice of award that will be issued. Letter L. The BAC reiterates the Department Order Number 98, Series of 2016 for the guidelines on the accreditation of contractors, consultants, materials, engineer. Letter M. The performance security to be posted shall cover the duration of the project up to the final acceptance of the project. Letter N. Please be reminded that as per GPPB Resolution 15-2021 dated October 14, 2021, effective on contracts advertised from January 1, 2022, the bidders shall only submit the PhilJEP Certificate of Platinum registration and membership updated with the current Class A eligibility required documents covered by Section 8.5.2 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA 9184. Otherwise, it shall result in the automatic suspension of its validity. Letter O. Only authorized representatives will be allowed to submit the draft bid proposal. Proprietor present valid government issued ID. Authorized representative present special power of attorney and valid government issued ID. And last, letter P. Prospective bidders are required to provide working electronic mail address. It is considered a means of communication for the procuring entity to send notices and other related letters. Those are the explanations of criteria for preliminary examination.
Thank you, Sir Henry. We would like to call the attention of prospective bidders for those three projects to please take due notice with regards to the mentioned criteria for preliminary examination for the bidding documents. Are there any questions or clarifications from our viewers?
None, sir. None, sir.
Yes, if they are, if in case there will be clarification, I advise them to approach our back unit for other details. Thank you very much. We'll now proceed to the dropping and opening of bid proposals for the supply and delivery of various goods for use of Benguet First District Engineering Office. First project is the supply and delivery of parts needed for repair of 3 Fuji Xerox machine of this office with project ID 24GP PE0030 RFQ. The office has invited 3 prospective suppliers, namely Xworks, M. Aliman, and FI General Merchandise. Fortunately, only one submitted this bid proposal, which is Xworks Sales and Services Incorporated. We'll now proceed to open the RFQ submitted by Xworks Sales and Services. Yes, ready. We have the RFQ and the permit to engage business, certificate of PDJEP's registration, platinum, and the omnibus sworn statement revised. Authority of signatory as issued by the Secretary of the Incorporation. Flying. Total bid offer 57,800 pesos only. I repeat, 57,800 pesos only. No discount. We'll now proceed to project number 2, supply and delivery of laboratory apparatus for use of quality assurance section. Of course, this office with project ID 24GPE0031 RFQ and an ADC of 960,000 pesos only. We have invited 3 prospective suppliers, namely Grand-Based Enterprises and Technical Services, Survey Tech Trading, and Brianna Innovations and Solutions Corporation. We'll now open the bid proposal of Grand-Based Enterprises. We have the RFQ invitation. Brochure. Features of the instrument. Parameters, technical parameters. Certificate of income tax. Jeff's registration. Omnibus sworn statement. Annual income tax return. E-filing of income tax return. Mayor's permit. Flying. Total bid offer 942,000 pesos only. No discounts offered. Next, Survey Tech Trading. For Survey Tech Trading, every invitation, RFQ, brochures, field reps registration, platinum, Mayor's permit, Omnibus sworn statement, Lying,
Market income tax.
income tax. RFQ ito.
Pero kailangan niya kasi kasi 500 above, so ABC. Kailangan niya
Meron dito sa Kenya, tax clearance. Pero wala.
income tax.
Total bid offered is take note 955,000 pesos only. Next, Brianna Innovations and Solutions Corporation. With the invitation, RFQ. Product brochure, Mayor's permit, Pilgrim's registration, annual income tax, statement of management responsibility for annual income tax return, omnibus sworn statement, nothing follows. Total bid offer 960,000 pesos only. Any more? No more. So that ends our agenda number 2. Supply and delivery of goods. I mean supply. Drafting of bid proposals and opening of bids for supply and goods. Are there any clarifications or questions from our viewers?
None, sir.
From our back members? From our back set, are there any announcements, Ms. Anfei?
Yes, sir. For our procurement activities, we have scheduled pre-bid conference on July 2. And for bid opening schedules, we have on July 2, July 9, and July 16, sir. That's all.
Thank you, Ms. Anfei. You like it? No. Did you like it?
Tuesday.
Any more announcements? If none, can I hear a motion from the back members for the closure of the procurement activity?
I move, sir, that this procurement activity be closed.
It's been moved and seconded that this procurement activity will now adjourn. Thank you for your attendance and may we have a fruitful day ahead of us.